in the increasingly dynamic geopolitical landscape of the Indo-Pacific. A sniper's eye isn't just about pulling the trigger, it's about the deterrent message sent to the world. A recent joint training exercise between the Japan Self-Defense Forces Sniper Unit and the United States military, U.S. Marine Corps, U.S. Army, demonstrated that this partnership has gone beyond formal diplomacy. 1. Integration of technology and precision. This exercise highlighted the extraordinary combination of Japan's high-level discipline and American field combat experience. We saw how standard Japanese sniper rifles, such as the Howa M1500, matched up against the American M201 OESR or Mk13 Mod 7 systems. What was interesting was not only the accuracy contest at ranges beyond 1,000 meters, but also the integration of spotter systems capable of sharing ballistic data in real time in Japan's difficult jungle and mountainous terrain. This capability is key to maintaining territorial sovereignty. 2. One shot, one life philosophy versus tactical flexibility. Japan brings a philosophy of extreme calm and precisional legacy of discipline that makes every bullet count mathematically. American snipers, on the other hand, provide insight into adaptability in active conflict zones. National security. The primary focus is coastal defense and infiltration prevention on Japan's outer islands. Interoperability. This exercise ensures that in the event of a crisis, both countries can operate as a cohesive strike force. 3. Strategic impact on regional stability. This review would be incomplete without discussing macro security aspects. The presence of bilaterally trained snipers on Japanese soil is a powerful signal for regional stability. This is not simply a stationary target shooting exercise. It simulates high-level reconnaissance, silent infiltration techniques, and terrain control, crucial for maintaining Japan's territorial and airspace sovereignty. Conclusion: the invisible front. This joint exercise successfully demonstrated that Japanese snipers now stand on par with the world's elite units, with U.S. logistical support and combat experience. Japan's elite forces have transformed into deadly ghosts on the battlefield. A nation's security is often determined by those who are invisible, yet see everything.